welcome back to my channel. I know I look a bit shiny. I just got back from work and showered, washed my face and did like my evening routine. So yeah, so this video I just want to show you how I assembled some of my furniture. Not most of it, but yeah, some that I've already gotten. As you can see, there's a couch behind me and a chair. So I've been able to furnish my house quite a bit since I moved in. So I just wanted to share how I set up most of it. And I apologize, these videos are in I would say the portrait mode because when I filmed them, I wasn't really sure I was going to upload them on YouTube. So please just bear with me. Moving forward, I'm going to film my videos in a better way, in a YouTube appropriate way. So yeah, welcome back and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. That I got when I moved in was my work desk and my work chair. So because I needed to get back to work. So this is me setting up my work desk and my chair. Okay, mostly my work desk only. So I'm religious about reading the manual when I buy any piece of furniture. Like literally the first thing I'll do is go through it, see where everything is supposed to go because I only want to do it once. I do not want the whole put everything together then have to put it apart because I did not read the manual. So I read it like religiously. So I pretty much study it.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart.
We're all done. That honestly took forever. And this is the only video that I filmed from start to finish. I had to cut it down actually, but here we are.
There's something different about the way we are.
I assembled my bed, but this one was a huge one, so I needed help. I called a friend to help me out, and honestly he did most of the work. But yeah, so we assembled my bed next, and I did not get much video for this one because we were two people and it was a lot of work. It took so long, but I did not film most of it, so you'll only see just a little bit of this one.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Final result, it turned out so good. I bought a storage bed because I do not have much storage in the house, so this came in great handy. And yeah, so that's what the bed looks like. I was not sleeping on the floor anymore. My dresser, obviously this is like weeks later, I was able to assemble my dresser. I do not have much footage of this because I did not film much. It was April 2023 during busy season. I just assembled when I could, like in the evenings, because I was tired of just seeing the boxes lie around. So the only part that I really filmed was this one, where I was kind of like putting the back parts of the dresser, the side that kind of like goes to the wall. So that's, I think, I don't know why I filmed this for so long, but that's pretty much all I have.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow.
And there we have it. Well, it's on the floor for now. I'm going to buy legs for it because the ones that came with the dresser, I don't really like them. Hi, if you have stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you so very much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. Obviously it's not just going to be me building stuff, but there will be way more. I have so many plans and there will be way more from me sharing my life and sharing generally how I'm making my house a home, but also a lot more about my life here in Vancouver, and we'll get into those deeper conversations in time. Yeah, so please like and subscribe for more, and thank you.
Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way.